So from here, this arm is going to come back in a circle. And we're going to bring the fingers of the right hand together so that the thumb is on the middle finger and the other fingers are around it. And it forms a crane's beak, a hook. Form your hook, drop the elbow, and now extend. And as you do, turn your waist so that your center line turns. So watch from here. So I extend the arm, keeping the elbow down, turn my waist, the weight's on the back leg, and I'm on the toe of the left foot. And then this hand is here. The elbow should be more down and not facing. So this is a common problem. So the forearm is also twisted slightly, like this. And then the shoulder should be open so it feels almost like it's dislocated. So you have to relax this as well. Okay, a little bit more. And then